Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you a bunch of different Excel tips and tricks that you can learn. So first you're going to click data and then you're going to see the symbol for filter, click that. So what we can do here is we're going to filter units in stock and we can choose between different numbers. So for this example we're going to use 10 and we're going to choose less than or equal to 30. So we're only going to see numbers that are between 10 and 30. So this is what you see. So we have 5 different product names. So to remove the filter, just click back the filter icon. And now we're going to sort by unit price. So we're going to click filter again. And we're going to click the little arrow that you see here. And we're going to select 3 different price ranges, 25, 60, and 100. So we're going to click OK. And you're going to see that we're only seeing products with product name that have those specific unit prices. So we're going to remove the filter again, and you can see that you see all of the product names. So VLOOKUP, we use it to find data on a spreadsheet on Excel. So it's a very easy formula that you can learn. So we're going to get started. So right now we have a list of data. So we're going to look at specific SKU. So we're going to choose this one. We're going to copy it on this side and paste it. So we want to know how many units in stock we have for that specific SKU. So we're going to type equal, we're going to type in VLOOKUP, and we're going to open parentheses. So we're going to select where we want VLOOKUP to search for the data. So we're going to put a comma, we're going to select the first SKU and drag it over all of the data. We're going to put another comma so we can find the index number that we want VLOOKUP to look. This is units in stock. So we're going to type a 3 since it's the third column. We're going to put another comma and we're going to type in false because we want to find the exact match. Close parentheses, enter, and you're going to get 100. So if you look at the data in the SKU, you're going to see that we have 100 units in stock for that specific SKU. So right now we're gonna look for units in price. So we're gonna type VLOOKUP again, equal VLOOKUP, open parentheses, and select the first SKU as we did before. Then we're gonna select the whole table of data that we have here, put a comma, and then we're gonna type in number 2 since it's the second column where the unit price is in the data. We're gonna type in false, close parentheses, enter, and we're gonna see that we have 20 in unit price. So here we have the SKU 234512, $20 per unit, and we have 100 units in stock right now. So here we're highlighting the ones that we have duplicated on the document. So we're gonna select the whole data on the document. We're gonna remove duplicates on data and remove, you can select which ones you want. So you click OK, and now you're gonna see that that the duplicates that we had written down got removed. So first you have to open Microsoft Excel. Once you open it, you're gonna click Insert, you're gonna click on Shapes, and you're gonna get a drop-down menu. On the drop-down menu, you're gonna select Flowchart, and you're gonna click on the document and create a square. You can customize the color of the square to your choosing. So here we're gonna type something just to show you. So if you select the text, you can actually move it, you can center it or move it to the other side and center it within the box. So now we're gonna go into shapes again and we're gonna choose an arrow. So we're gonna drag the arrow and make it as big as you want. You can make it as long as you want, as short as you want, thick or thin. So we're gonna move it to the square, and you can choose the color that you want as well. So in this case, we're gonna make it yellow. We're gonna select shapes again. We're gonna select another square, and we're gonna open it and drag it on the document. Click on the square and type what you want. Again, we're gonna center it to your liking. Very easy to do. So there's that. So we're gonna go into shapes again. We're gonna choose another arrow. We're gonna drag it and place it on the document next to the first block. We're gonna change the color, and we're gonna create another block. So for this one, it's a circle. So you can have fun with this and change the shapes to whatever you like. So for this one, we chose an orange color. Remember that you can customize it to your liking. So that's how you create a flowchart on Excel. So you have your sheet, and you're gonna notice that you have 3 tabs underneath. So we're gonna click sheet 2, and you're gonna right click delete, confirm, and it's deleted. So we're gonna do it again on the third one. Right click delete again, and you only have one sheet right now. So first of all, you need to have some data on your sheet. So we're gonna select it all, and we're gonna click insert. Here we're gonna click recommended charts, and you can see that we have a few options. So we're gonna click the first one, and now we're gonna drag it a little bit up and click on the title. So we're gonna remove the title on the chart and replace it with the one that we have on our sheet. So we're just gonna paste it here. So here we go. So now we're gonna click on the chart again, and we're gonna click the plus button. That gives us the chart elements that we can edit on the chart. Next, we're gonna click the style icon. So here we can change the style of the graph, including the background and how it's viewed. On color, we can change the colors on the graph to whichever one you want, which is pretty neat because you can customize it. So on filters, we can filter out whatever information is on the graph. So this is very helpful when we're creating projects. So here we're gonna select data source, and we're gonna switch the row and the column. So as you can see, we clicked it and everything switched. So we're gonna click it again and switch back to the original data. So now we're done. So that's how to create a graph on Microsoft Excel. If you have any questions, please comment below.